Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat due to repeated phone number changed problem. So guys, when you have logged in your Snapchat and facing this type of issue, that repeated phone number change problem, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you have to check your internet connection on your iPhone, and guys, after doing this you have to go back. Secondly, you need to scroll it below, click on general, and guys, you need to check your VPN connection. If you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect that VPN, and after doing this you have to go back. And guys, you need to reset your network settings. Maybe there is problem on your network. And after doing this you have to check your date and time. Make sure that date and time set on automatically, and after doing this you have to go back. And guys, now you have find the option of general. Again, on settings you have to click on this tab, click on iPhone storage, and after this you have to wait. And here you need to open your Snapchat app. As you can see, simply you have to click on Snapchat and you need to offload your app. And after doing offload you need to reinstall again. And guys, after this, when you have logged in your Snapchat, your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fixed your problem, you have to open your app store if you're using iPhone, and if you're using Android, simply you have to open your Play Store on that phone and search your Snapchat. So guys, after searching Snapchat you have to click on Snapchat. Make sure that your app is updated. So guys, if not updated, simply you have to update your app. And after doing this you need to go back, and guys, you need to open your settings again, scroll it below, click on general, and guys, you need to check for update. So guys, if your iPhone is not updated, simply you have to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And guys, after doing this your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fixed your problem, you have to open an internet browser. So guys, for example, I am going to open this one, and guys, here you need to search Snapchat support. As you can see here, you have to search this one, click on this website, click on contact us, and after this you have to wait for some seconds. Here is the option, I think my account was compromised. Click on this one and you need to wait for some seconds. And below you will find here the option. Here you need to enter your username, email address, phone number, and here you need to write your problem that you are facing, and simply you have to submit your problem, and within few minutes they will fix your problem. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you.